Hello, welcome to my quick review of the Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system. So instead of having a blender and having a food processor and having a dough machine and having a smoothie maker, having all these different appliances, you now are just buying one and you're getting it all. Let's dive right in. First of all, you get your basic Ninja, I would call this like their smoothie cup kind of thing. It's got its built-in blender blades in there, pops into the top just like that, and away you go to make your smoothie. Everyone pretty much knows that Ninja piece. The next piece is the food processor piece. Love the fact that it just locks into place very, very easily. It has a really cool way to open up the lid, which is very easy. You're hitting this release button, you're popping this up, and you're pulling the lid off. Super, super simple. It has a great little place up here if you're adding some small liquids, say it's vanilla extract or chocolate sauce or something like that. You don't have to take the whole lid off. You can just use that window. It holds up to 64 ounces or 8 cups. Let me show you though that this bad boy can do cookie dough. So it's not just chopping your vegetables, but you switch this out, and it comes with this. You switch this out. This is kind of like your dough mixer, and you're going to be able to do 2 pounds of dough. We're talking cookie dough. You just put your ingredients in there and it is gonna just go to town and take care of your cookie dough, which is just fabulous. I love this. You've got your presets on the front. So it's a one touch. I'm doing a smoothie. I'm crushing ice. I'm extracting fruits and vegetable nutrients into a smoothie. I'm making dough, etc., etc. One touch, easy, easy, easy to program. Okay, let's look at the last piece of this puzzle, which is the fabulous 72-ounce capacity blender. Huge, huge, huge. And this is an ice crushing machine. It's insane. It has its own blades inside. They are different than the other ones, obviously, because it's a different job to do. Same quick release button on the top with the handle, and I love the fact as well that this has a pour spout right there on the top. Just pop that open, and whatever you have blended, you can easily pour. So very, 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 very simple. Love this system. I love the fact that I don't have to own a lot of different products. I can just have one that I know and trust in terms of the brand and its reliability. This is a fabulous set with so many features. I hope that this was helpful.